Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's recipe is fried fish and it is very simple, tasty, and this is how we Konkani people usually do it. Today I'm going to show you a new version of frying this kingfishes. Here, to make the paste for the kingfish fry, I'm going to first boil the red chilies for a while with a little bit of water. Add some turmeric powder, jeera, tamarind and the boiled red chilies along with few garlic cloves and green chilies in the mixer jar and blend it to a paste. Although I must admit that every home will have their own version and method of making fish fry, especially the recipe for marinating the fish before frying. Check out the size of this kingfish, isn't it huge? I just love these fishes, and so do my family. Apply some salt and lemon to the fish and start marinating the fish with the prepared masala. If you have seen my previous videos, you must have come across my video on red chili tamarind paste. You can simply add that paste to your fishes and just fry them. That's the most common masala you find in every Konkani's house. There's always a saying, fish eaters live by the sea even if they are miles away. The ocean is in their hearts and on their plates. Every Konkani home usually has some form of fish at the table every other day. And it is always a special meal when there's a fish on the plate, and while there are so many different ways you can prepare the fish, the fried kind is always the most popular. Now take a pan and pour some oil and start frying the fish on both the sides. Typically, we would buy few pieces, marinate them and leave a piece per person out for frying that day and freeze the remaining. This would give us mothers respite on days when we are busy with work, if you are working woman or if doing multiple things at the same time, or simply if you don't feel much like cooking. I guess every house have their own story of a special meal and special memories. This was mine and I would love to know about yours. So comment below as to what's your special meal and let me try making that video for you. And friends, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such homely videos.